Hello dear students, in the last class we have discussed about magnetic effect of electric current. What do you mean by magnetic effect? When an electric current is passed through the coil of insulated wire coiled around a soft iron bar, the iron bar behaves as a magnet. This is called a magnetic effect of electric current. And the main advantage of electromagnet over the normal magnet is that they can easily start and stop, and the strength of the magnetic field can be effectively controlled. So the magnetic effect disappears as the current flow stops. So what do you mean by magnetic effect of electric current? When an electric current passes through a wire, the current carrying conductor behaves like a magnet. This is called a magnetic effect of electric current. Understood? And this magnetic effect of current was discovered by a scientist named Hans Christian Ørsted. And Ørsted found that when the electric current was passed through a wire, the needle of the compass gets deflected. Okay, so there are a number of applications of electromagnet. You might have observed the cranes lifting heavy iron scraps from the scrapyard. These cranes make use of electromagnets for lifting and transporting large masses of iron scraps, girders, plates, etc. It is also used to separate magnetic materials from the junk. Another application is it is also used in MRI scanning. What do you mean by MRI? Magnetic resonance imaging, for getting a detailed image of internal parts of the body to diagnose effectively a number of diseases. And there are a variety of electrical devices such as electric bell, microphone, loudspeaker, etc. make use of electromagnet. Another important application is electromagnetism is used in Maglev trains. Have you heard about Maglev trains? And whenever a visitor comes to your home, they ring the doorbell. You can hear the ringing of the bell and you can know someone is at the door. The electric bell produces the sound using the electromagnetic effect of current. So let us understand how the electric bell uses electromagnetic effect for its working. This is the circuit of an electric bell. The coil wound over iron rod forms an electromagnet. A soft iron strip which has a hammer at one end have kept close to the electromagnet. Initially, this iron strip is kept in contact with a screw using a spring. Hammer is kept near the dome-shaped structure called a gong. As soon as the switch is turned on, current flows through the coil and making it an electromagnet. And it attracts the soft iron strip, and so the hammer strikes over the gong, produces the sound. However, due to this movement, iron strip goes away from the screw and breaks the electric circuit. So the current stops and the coil does not attract the iron strip. The spring then brings the strip to its initial position. That is, the strip is now again in contact with the screw. Again the current is closed and the electromagnet attracts the iron strip, and again the sound will be produced. This continues as soon as the bell button is pressed. Understood? So this process of make and break of the electric circuit continues as long as we are pressing the switch. This is how the working of the bell. Hope all of you understood how a bell works using the principle of electromagnetism. Hope all of you understood how the bell works. Is it? Thank you, dear children.